Food goes in my mouth,
Goes out,
down my throat,
down my throat,
into my belly,
into my belly,
and then it goes into my intestines.
into my intestines.
Well, wait, pull your pants up.
And you poop it out.
And you poop it out. Say, that's digestion.
That's my digestion.
Digestion. So that's how we metabolize food.
Food comes out the mouth, and it goes
Down.
to my chest, and it goes down to my belly button, and my pants, and you poop it out.
And you poop it out.
You
What happens when it's in your belly? Do you get all of the good nutrients?
Yeah.
And your body takes it and makes you grow
You-
big and strong.
And go big like this, and go bigger, bigger, and bigger.
You're right. So food helps you
Go bigger.
grow bigger.
It goes bigger, 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 and bigger.
You're right.